Okay everybody, today I received my Do It Essential Starter Kit, and it did run, after shipping everything, it was about $100 bill. But Do It did send this catalog, and it's got all kinds of stuff in it that I did not really look for on their website, but stuff that I think is going to be pretty cool, pretty handy. Be nice to be able to just sort through this stuff. They got the molds, they got everything. And then we've got the box. Shipping took a couple days, but it did show up on time and in good packaging. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to open this one-handed, but we're going to try. Sorry, it is gonna be a little rough. We're gonna do our best here. Okay. And then what's in the box? Came with a quart of their plastisol. And then came with quite a few of these little baggies for your rates. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Looks like we have a little bit of glitter contamination there. And here we're gonna prop this phone up against the box so y'all can see what's going on. It looks like the colors that we got. Now, it does say on there that the glitter colors are not always guaranteed, but it looks like we have just a good silver there, and it's kind of a, I don't know what you call that, but kind of a burnt orange, reddish color there, and then just a good old silver. And then we've got colorants. And these are 1 ounce, and this is Junebug. I don't know if it'll focus. There we go. And then we've got motor oil and watermelon green and good old red. And then it came with an injector, and it's already oiled. Looks to be in good shape so far. As I drop everything, it's just a snap-on tip. Heard a lot of people kind of complain about that, but then at the same time I hear a lot of people say they like it. So we'll see how that goes. And then it did come with a spare tip, and looks like everything's same size. Everything's in good shape. So we'll make a video when I have some time to try this stuff out, and we'll see how it goes.